Hello, thank you for watching. If you could like this video or subscribe or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So we bought this a couple of years ago, probably a couple of years ago by now, and we went to fetch it for the day when the teleporters were to lift it. So I'll leave this for now then, and I'll come back to it after showing you how the Twose grab came along. But if you want to guess what it is, put in the comments below what you think it is, and then I'll reveal at the end there. Okay. So last time I was oiling this to get it off again. I tried to get it off now, but it was stiff, really stiff. So I got this big Stilsons, and I turned this round and wiggled it back and forth, getting easy, and it came off easy then. So I tried it like that, but turning it worked better, and getting oil to start to go into jointly. So I've got it off. I've cleaned it up. Just put it back really now. So it's all back and greased now. Okay, so this is this done for now then. So what it is a water wheel. Well, it's a cast iron frame, and you put the tin, well, it's sheet metal scoops in it. So you can see the grooves there for scoops. So needs to be narrowed down because we have a hole here, and it's covered by some old cast iron baths in, and cover up a hole basically, and the water fills the baths up and all in. So water still goes there, and it drains away at the bottom as well. So it's just missing wheel basically. Wheel was long sold, and we asked if it was still at the place it's sold to, and it was scrapped years ago. So we've been after one for a while, and only thing, they're all too big. This is quite a small one, quite small diameter. I think it's about 8 foot-ish. Usually like say 15 foot. So yeah, it's small enough to fit another hole, but it needs to be narrowed down. It's too wide at the moment, but it's keywayed onto the shaft there, so we'll potentially can actually just slide it on and make a new keyway slot then. We need to go get the actual big gear the same diameter as it again, and with little gear that like a pinion off it then, so it'll be actually able to drive something if you want to then. So but pretty much it's all there here, just missing the wheel viewer. So this will be a future project, make a new section there, but we'll get to it. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.